she's made a ton of money in QA, something that some people don't even know exists. Right? So don't always do what fits you best, is what I always say. But why don't you just kind of give one last pitch on getting into QA and road to QA?
Well, definitely. Road to QA is essentially a self-paced hybrid experience. So when I say hybrid, everything's remote, but it's a self-paced program with the training, the community, the group mentorship, and a 10-day internship to take you from newbie to or career transitioner into the market as a software tester without experience, without a degree, without certifications, or without going to a high-cost boot camp or getting into debt. And that is our whole mission. The average QA role is $70 to $100K. And our program is definitely always priced well under $1,000. So the whole point is to show you that, you know, you can make more money and have more flexibility and growth opportunities. But Road to QA doesn't stop at just QA. So we are also growing Road to QA now, where now we won't teach full-fledged programs, but we have now many guest trainings that are now going to teach you how to be a business analyst. How to be a scrum master. We have my automation engineer. He comes in and we have intro to automation now to start getting you warmed up into automation. A data analyst, we have LinkedIn, we have recruiters coming. So now Road to QA is now turned into Career to QA because the road is just beginning. A lot of my students, they land their first QA role and now they continue to go up. I even have someone who's going to come speak on cybersecurity, and they're going to speak about how you can take your QA skills, and it's actually very much in alignment with that. So Road to QA is not just about a QA. It's not just about being a QA analyst. Road to QA is about that start of that pivot and knowing that you could actually do it. You could take who you've been up to this point, add new skills on top, and now position in the markets for something new.
Yeah, because the jobs, despite the economy not being what it was 2-3 years ago, the jobs are still there.